guys? Welcome back to the vlog this week. I might sound a little weird. I'm not feeling all that great. I don't know, so it'll be a quick video, but I did want to put out a video today. Somebody had asked me a while back what I thought about a little drone that I picked up a while ago. So I wanted to share a few thoughts on that. Most of you already have seen one or know some details about it. It's called a DJI Spark. DJI is pretty much synonymous with drone. Everybody knows DJI makes amazing drones. Popular amongst them being the Phantom series drones, the white ones, and recently the Mavic and Mavic Pro, the Mavic 2 that just recently got announced. Those are all fantastic drones, but they are a little bit pricey. So if you're looking for something that has great features but won't break the bank, then I think the Spark is a really good choice. The Spark, if you haven't seen it, I brought it here just to kind of show it. There you go. It's got the gimbal camera, everything, sensors. It's very small. Surprisingly has a bit of weight to it for how small it is. Very well built. So more on that actually. That's one of the things I wanted to mention. So for 4th of July this year, I was going to get some shots of some fireworks and got the drone up to about 30 feet, thought it was a good position, and all of a sudden it just fell to the ground. Now, underneath it was not the ground, it was actually the pool. So the drone fell into the pool, and I quickly jumped in the pool and grabbed it, shook it, blew the water out of it. Then later that evening I opened it up, took the top cover off, let it dry for the next day outside in the shade on the patio, and the thing still works. So amazing quality. The camera didn't get water in it, obviously water on the circuit board and all that, but I think what saved it was that the reason it fell out of the sky was the battery had come loose, and the battery fell down first, and I don't know how that happened. The battery actually hit the dirt off to the side of the pool, the drone hit the pool, and long story short, the thing still works. It's amazing. So there hasn't been any problems with it whatsoever. I've flown it many times since then. It flies really nice. If you buy the Fly More combo, you get the you all know probably, you get the actual controller, and then the extra battery. You can OTG cable to this thing, so you don't have to rely on Wi-Fi for like your cell phone to the controller. That works fantastic. It's a great little drone. I'm surprised by the feature set because it's so small and so cheap realistically when you compare it to like a $1,000, $1,200 Mavic Pro or Phantom 4 or something like that. Now, yeah, you do get better video quality from those for sure, and a little bit longer flight time. Probably they're a little bit faster as well, but fast isn't always key with drones. If you're trying to get some nice shots, you really want it to move steady and move nice and smooth, and this thing certainly does. You can get really good shots with it, especially if you play with the settings a bit, do a little post-processing on the video. You can get some really nice shots. So highly recommend the DJI Spark. Apparently waterproof and it's a great drone if you're looking to get into the drone thing, or just have something for fun for the weekends, chase the kids around at the park or something like that. It's a great little drone for, you know, $300 or whatever they sell for these days. So yeah, so that's all I wanted to say about that. Like and subscribe for more videos. Hopefully I'll be feeling better next week and we'll have a new topic to discuss. But for this week, that's all.